You ever wonder what goes into making a thumbnail? There's a wide range of thumbnails. There's a bit of a science behind it. Again, the big channels really have it down, and some of the beginner channels, they don't really put much thought into it, and the YouTube platform will generate a thumbnail for you. I find it more effective to actually create a thumbnail from scratch using my own photos and putting my own text on there. And so this video is going to highlight what are all the steps that are involved in creating a YouTube thumbnail. So let's have a look at that right now.
How do I finish on that?
Doesn't need to be on, it's just a prop. 2, 1. I can't see the camera. So we gotta figure out something. Look in there. She's showing that different ways. Okay, now what else do you think we should do?
Another long?
We'll do one more, then have a look at them. Alright, so we're going to make a YouTube thumbnail. So first we're going to have to open up a program called Canva. So new window, Canva. And then we have lots of templates we can use. So we look along here, there's a Facebook post, Instagram post, YouTube thumbnail. That's all we want. And now we're going to upload our photo, upload the image, and how to YouTube. Must be it. Now it uploads that. Take a little time to upload, because I'm doing this just hotspotting off my iPhone, so the internet connection's not real great, but that was enough to do it. So we'll expand to fill the box. Because this will be then we know we have the right dimensions for the for YouTube. Okay, so there's a photo. We want to a bit more. We need enough room up here to put our text. I think that's probably enough room. So we'll put our elements. And these are the ones I commonly use. And I think see all. So these are the different ones. That one will probably fit over there. What else do we have? Well, I like this. Maybe we'll put that one up here. We're making a movie. That's pretty good. What color do we want? We might make that our branded colors. There you go. And a box to put our text in. I think we go with this. Okay, we're going to make that fit in the spot that we want it to. Put this up in the corner evenly. Like that. There, I covered that up. Okay, this base and our bolts a different color. Maybe we will make that one. It's good. Put some text in there. Add a heading. And then we're going to get jazz and papa. Make a YouTube video. Okay, so I'm going to put that into the box. We can either make the box smaller or the text bigger. So we want the text to be pretty big so you can see it. The people on their phones. There we go. Set that up into there. I think we might make it a bit bigger yet. That's pretty good. It's showing the box. Oh, I kind of like that. Alright, so we've got that. Now we're going to download it. Okay, it shows up down here. That's what it's going to look like. I'm still happy with that. So we're going to file, duplicate, file, save. I'm going to save this to the desktop so I can file PNG format. That works okay. Sometimes if it's too big take, I'll make it a JPEG, but usually they're okay. There's a bit of color there, but I think that should work. Okay, so we save that. Okay, now that we've got that. And now we can do this again I'll do a Twitter, a Facebook post, and an Instagram post. Instagram's squared, it's not long like YouTube and Twitter. So we have to lay it out slightly different. We'll go upload. There's our image. Again, we'll fill the box because this is the box size for Instagram. Put that down there. Okay, see that's so that's the best we can. So it's got us both in there. We got plenty of room up there. So we're going to go with our elements again. Like that. Put that in there. Make it a bit bigger on this one, I think. Make it our green. Now, elements. We might make this different. Because we like to have a. Oh, not that one. Do that one. I think we'll go with this one. Because that's similar to the bolt features we used on the other one. So put that up in there. I might drag this down a bit longer. There we go. Make that our green. The bolts, dark green. Text. Heading. Jazz and Papa make a YouTube video. Okay, so move this up. Okay, I can take that right up to make it a bit bigger. Jazz and Papa make a YouTube video. Like it? So I'm going to download that. So let everyone know that this is for Instagram. Desktop. PNG. Sorry. I'll do the same for Facebook. Now Facebook and Instagram are close, so I use the same sort of design layout on those. Where Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube are similar dimensions, different layout. Try to use the same colors. That'll be for Facebook. And so again, we just keep redoing that over and over again. Twitter post. That's all good. This is for Twitter. You can push it straight onto Twitter, but we're going to release it later. This is Twitter. Now the difference for LinkedIn, that doesn't actually have a template for LinkedIn. So you're going to have to create your design, custom dimensions. This is 1200. I think it's 628. There you go, and that gives me a template for that, and it's done the same as the other process. Bring it open, we fill up the gap, and this one's going to be for LinkedIn. Okay, now we have all of our social media thumbnails, and we're going to put them in Jasmine's folder, which is Jasmine's up there. So, and then we go to upload this onto all the social media platforms to market it. Then we'll have them in there. And that is it. That's how you make a thumbnail. Hey, I hope you found that informative. And if you did, give me a thumbs up. The next video, which will be the last in this series, we'll be uploading your YouTube video onto the platform and to announce it on social media. I'd love to hear your comments and how you found that video or this series or any other series that you'd like me to do. You can leave your comment below so everyone else can see it, or you can email me directly at yourjourneytransitions@gmail.com or through my social medias, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and of course my website, yourjourneytransitions.com. A link for all these are in the description. So until next time, this is Rick Ward, your guide through retirement stages, wishing you an extraordinary retirement.
This is like a cocoon.
What comes out of a cocoon?
Butterflies.
Are butterflies beautiful?
Yes.